Yo, what's going on? I actually have a lot to say, and this is a life update video, so I hope you guys are interested in this. But let me show you the hotel that I'm at right now. Well, just a quick recap. I'm currently 4 hours away from my home from Toronto, and I'm in Montreal right now, which is like a Paris in Canada, I guess you would. So this is the view that I'm going to have for the next 4 nights. It's amazing. Look at that. Not really the best, but it's quite nice, yeah? It's quite nice. I got my MacBook Pro, my mouse, USB, Apple charger, notebook, and I'll be sitting right over here. Listen, are you one of those guys who take stuff from the hotel? Because obviously you paid for it. And I am one of those guys. Listen, guys, look, I'm going to take every single one of these. Look, this. Yeah, that's right. It's coming with me. Huh? This, look at this. All of these stuff here. Look, this is actually mine. I brought from home. But all this stuff is coming with me. Ça va t'aider bien, man. Ça va t'aider bien. This is the fireplace. It's actually not real fire, but you get the point, right? And then you just have all the kitchen supplies. You can, cook something here if you like. Just boring kitchen stuff. Living room is this way. That's a plug couch. And yeah, so this one goes towards the TV number 1. And then you have the TV number 2, which is right there. You got the closet, the bed. 4 days I've been working here, which is great. It's actually what I wanted. I never really left out of my comfort zone when I'm working. Like before COVID, I would go to the office and work. And then during COVID, I started working from home, and I love my setup. I was just never that person who would go to a cafe or just anywhere, grab my laptop and just start working there. I need a second monitor. I need a proper workstation. So I've never done this ever in my life, to be honest. And this is my first time that I've done it, and I think I did quite a good job. I was able to work comfortably. It actually turned out to be quite great. So yeah, and of course I've been designing in MacBook Pro. This is a guy who loves Windows. I finished 2 boxes of this, by the way. There was like these Nescafe. I've been drinking a lot of coffee. So imagine this. Actually, this times 3. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna buy this brand when I get home. This has been keeping me alive, pretty much, yeah. Yeah, I was gone from YouTube for almost 3 months now, so I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but yeah, I sort of took a break because, well, it took a lot of my energy. It took me almost a year to find a better job as a senior product designer. Dude, I had a major mental health issue for 4 years now. It's almost been 3 months that I have recovered from mental health, and I'm like actually happy, losing weight fast, but not even going to the gym, but I will go to the gym. This is me traveling for the very first time, and I'm extremely excited about it. I love every bit of it, being in Montreal. I'm just at a point where I don't know what type of videos I should really create, and I need your help. Like, should I do tutorial videos? If so, what should they be? Should I do vlogs? Should I just talk about design in general? Should I create a podcast? That's not happening. Yeah, so like just give me some ideas so I can just like play with them. I don't really have any script ready here. I'm just going as freestyle. Yeah, man, aside from that, I really miss you guys. Feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'm in desperate need of a freelance YouTube editor. So if you are someone who has the experience, you don't need 10 years of experience, you don't need 5 years of experience, maybe like 2 years of experience, max 3, that'll be great. You have to have a portfolio where it shows tutorials and vlogs. That's all I care about. For the last 3 months now, I've been waking up energetic. I think majority of the time I've woken up before my alarm has rang. So that's pretty rare. That was pretty rare for me, and now I've been doing that. I'm not extremely concerned of my bank account anymore, man. Oh my god. I'm into stocks now because I have that extra fund available to do such thing, and I'm not living off per paycheck anymore. I believe this new company has given me what I deserve. They actually gave me more than what I've asked for, and it's literally 5 times more than my old salary. I've been eating healthy 8 out of 10 times I've been eating healthy. I sleep in peace by 11 p.m. That is so rare. That is so rare. I stopped bitching and complaining. Like, it's complete different. Like, my life has just changed in a healthy, positive way. Dude, I used to watch these motivational videos. I used to like these motivational comments and posts on Instagram. Dude, that shit didn't even change my life. But anyways, let me know if you want me to talk about mental health and how I have recovered from it. And also, this new company that I'm working for, I'm about to hit 3 months, but dude, we do design system. Yeah, design system. And if you're, if you know, you know. A lot of companies really bullshit about that, and they really want you to jump into, you know, they really want you to skip like 70% of the design process and jump into the whole UI, and you know, they blame you for everything. But this company, man, there is a design exercise with the team before even starting the UI component of it. There is research involved. There's communication involved. There's a product manager. Okay, not project manager, but a product manager. Everybody, like whoever you're working with for that specific project, is involved in that design exercise before I start running with the project. And this is exactly what I've been looking for. Also, at the same time, the reason why it took me almost a year to get hired or to work for a new company, I did get other offer letters from a few other companies while I've had like, I don't know, 50, 60 different interviews. What I would do is before accepting their offer letter, I would go to Glassdoor, or I'll try to find reviews of that company where employees has written. And based on that, I'll be like, okay, wait a second. I do not want to end up in another toxic company where I currently was, because then it's not going to improve in my mental health or anything like that. So fuck that shit. I feel like just by like talking to you guys right now, I kind of figured out my upcoming videos are going to be. I think number one is I'm going to talk about my interview experience that I've had over the past year, in like this year, 2021. My second video should be about mental health for designers, how I have overcome it, so which can help you guys. Number three would be my new job as a senior product designer. I think those are the 3 upcoming videos that I'm going to make, and it's going to be a one-on-one conversation like this. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Yeah, mate. So I think that's it, and thank you so much for watching. It's really good to see you guys. Well, I don't know, not, you know what I mean. And I'll see you guys next time whenever I upload a video. Yeah, man, that's it. All right, guys, peace out.